Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today we have the ManBox. Oh yeah, we have the ManBox today and we're going to have the announcement of the winner of last month's surprise giveaway, which was a complete ManBox. So the September box is up for grabs and a winner has been chosen. I will announce that in this video. But today we're going to look at the October ManBox. It just came. It's November. They're about 2 or 3 weeks behind. I mean, like, they ship it around October 10th or something, but by the time I get it from Canada, it's into November by the time I have it, or the next month. But this is the October box. We are going to go through it and see what we have. I can tell you this is a great box for the man in your life, whether it be your husband, your boyfriend, your brother, your uncle, just a man friend, whoever, and maybe even some women friend would like some of these items. I will have links down in the description. You can save 10% on your first order with Miss JR10, and I will have that link in the description as well. And that is on any size order, so you can do one box, or if you decide to do a 6 months or a 12-month, whatever you decide, you'll save 10% on that order. This is a wonderful little box, and we're going to see what we have for this month. And stay tuned because we're going to have the winner announcement of last month's box. Inside here we got a sneaky peek. It looks like it's all in black again. If you don't remember, last month was Men in Black, and it had a tie, has a little wallet, has everything you might need for like going to a festive party, a wedding especially with the black tie, a formal occasion, maybe graduation. But anyways, that's what was in that box. We're going to have several different things, and it usually has around a $60 value, just so that you know. So it's a great value. It's a great gift idea. So let's just reach in here and see what we find here. The first thing that I'm pulling out is a 3D skull. It's an ice mold. Isn't that cool? You can mold you some ice with 3D skull faces on there. That's quite unique and quite fun and quite appropriate for October. Oh, I wish we would have got this at the beginning of October. But that is so cool. It says it's made of sturdy and high-grade silicone, great for all of your favorite drinks and beverages, and it has a retail value of $16.25. And again, that is so cool. You can see that the little skulls in there. So neat. Oh, that's fun. Okay, let's see what the next item is. It's a steel skull necklace. And that is right here. So they're going along with that Halloween theme. And this is our skull necklace. And that would have been so cute to wear on Halloween. So now I have something for next year. See, I told you, some women will like this. I mean, I like this and I like that. So this could be for the man or the woman if they like these kind of things. But isn't that really, really cute? I like that, and this has a $14.95 value. Our next item is a plastic playing card set, and I believe that's right here. Plastic playing cards, wow, I don't know that I've ever had plastic playing cards. This is unique and sleek, 100% waterproof plastic playing cards, standard Parker size. So look at that. Oh, and they're slick. Look at those, guys. I love the black and the gold and the silver. Oh, that is so cool. I love that. Let's see what the Joker looks like. Ah, there's the Joker. So, and then of course we have the Ace of Diamonds right there. And guys, these are slick, just like a deck of cards. This is cool. Well, I'm telling you, I'm a woman and I'm liking this box. Forget the man. This is a box anybody would like. Guys, the playing cards have an $11.90 value. And it looks like we're going to have 4 items in this box. And they even sent like a little case, I guess, for the necklace. Wasn't that kind of thoughtful? So you can keep it inside here. So that's kind of nice. And then the last item that we have, and we usually do have 5 items, but this time we have 4, and I'm okay with it because we got some really cool items, is hexagon coaster set. These are absorbent felt coasters and made with premium quality felt. And it says it absorbs liquids better than cork ones and stone coasters, and it has a retail value of $16.80. And they're felt, and they're like hexagon shaped. There's nothing fancy as far as any kind of imprint. They're just plain. There's 4 of them, and they're felt. So that's really cool. I like that. They're very practical. All right, guys, what do you think? That's the ManBox. I really like it. And our overall value was right at $60. So this was great. So in this box, we got the coasters, the felt coasters. We got this really cute skull necklace and a little felt bag to keep it in. Keep it all nice and crisp looking. We got our skull ice makers. Very, very cute. And we got these really cool black cards, and I just think that's really neat. I really like this box. They surprised me. I tell you what, this is really nice. What was your favorite item? Oh my goodness, this is hard. Well, I'm gonna pick the cards because I've never seen any plastic playing cards like that. And then I'm gonna have to say the ice, the skull heads. And I've been showing it to you from the inside, but I could have showed you just from the outside. You tell me what your favorite item is. Now, last month I did a surprise giveaway in that video, and one person won that box, and the winner of that box is Southern Girl, y'all. So Southern Girl, y'all, you have 48 hours to contact me and claim your prize, and I will get that box out to you right away, and you can use it any way you see fit. A gift for yourself, well, if you want to wear a black tie, which some girls do, and or a gift for a man in your life. However you want to use it, it's yours. So just be sure and get in touch with me. YouTube and our ManBox, we're not affiliated with this giveaway in any way. You must be 18 years or older and have an address within the continental USA, I believe, on that one. I will double check that, but I'm sure Southern Gal has a US address, so I'm not too concerned about that. But I just wanted to clarify that because I have been opening up some of my giveaways to US and Canada and our international. So be on the lookout for those when they do happen. But as for today and the ManBox, that's all I have. Let's congratulate Southern Girl, y'all, on winning the ManBox. And that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for the next giveaways and or collaborations that are coming up for sure. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.